Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Man, I have got quite a setup. That's quite a recording setup going on here. If it's been bad, I'm doing it. Wait a minute. What? My water cylinders are missing. And so is my rice. You can't want to see it there. What's going on here? They're outside, man. Okay. Wait, is that them there? Hush, Gracie. Would you look at that? It's a rare Charleston snowstorm. Oh my fucking god, Gracie. That's in, got in, go close the door. Gracie! Down, girl! Holy shit, Gracie, I walk you, and it's a phase again yet. Yeah, would you look at that? It's a rare Charleston snowstorm. Wait, we need music. We need music. We need some music. I'm gonna go back to our room real quick. Also got the music. Probably him as they're using his book guns. Yes, the rare Charleston snowstorm. By the way, I put Sound Guardians in the background. Sound Guardian Skyrim. Yeah, so how I'm asking, I'll shut this shut. Spiral skin. Awesome. Yeah, shut up. YouTube caught you kind of. Yes, they're down there. Oh, I flicked that thing. Did you see that? That one alone, no. Okay, yeah. Oh, Skylanders shop. Well, first got the Empire of Ice, the elephant room there. Legendary Slam Bam, Series 1 Slam Bam, Horror Whirlwind, Chill, Blizzard Chill, Legendary Chill, Series 2 Slam Bam, and Draw Bone Blast. Cool, that's awful. There are no elements. It's all ice and ice affiliate counters. Can't really see it, but there's like freaking snow on my freaking thing. It's a rare Charleston snowstorm. But look at that. See you guys next time.